Hi, try this problem. Apple equal to 20, guava equal to 30. What is pomegranate? Here, what is the logic behind here? Try this problem. Apple equal to 20, guava equal to 30. Pomegranate is, what is this? Here, what is the logic here means? Here, A, E, I, O, U, vowel. Here, apple, எத்தனை vowel இருக்கு? A, E. Here, guava, 3 vowel. A, U, A. Here, therefore, this is written as 20, this is written as 30. Therefore, in this pomegranate, how many vowels? Here, O, I, E, A, A. O, E, A, E. Therefore, 5 vowels. Therefore, what is this? This is equal to 50. Therefore, answer is 50. This is the logic behind here.